Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan from Una Ear Device. Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, I have a piece of attack claps for drop on Una. Una now go believe Una ears, much less Una eyes. Una hear what me told, Hey. So, I see Mark Golden post this on his platform because I'll know me not see the media them a run with this. So Mark Golden post this on his IG and this is in the paper. Can me go do my research, When me see Mark Golden post it, me say, what this here? So me go do my research. Hey, tardy accounts block assessment of 700 billion spent by health ministry. Tardy accounts block assessment of 700 billion spent by health ministry. My wisdom warriors, you hear what me just said to you? You see this man picture? You know what this man here? This man name is Dunstan Byron. He is the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness. You hear what me just say? This man is the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness. His name is Dunstan Byron, but me go teach you a little bit about him. Me go teach me know, and learn a bit. Hey, Lord Jesus. No wonder why no equipment, no wonder why no resources cannot bought and put in at the hospital them because them are criminal, a thief money. My wisdom warriors, you know so the Auditor General did an audit. Yes, man. The Auditor General did an audit. This came out the June 20, 2024. And if Mark Golden never posted, Lord Jesus, this would have missed me. This would have missed me. What a lucky thing. You can't imagine? You can't imagine 700 billion spent by the health ministry and they don't know how or where the money gone. But my wisdom warriors, me go get deep into it. But before me get into it, Mark Golden posted this on his page and said, our healthcare system has long been plagued with issues affecting Jamaica and the Jamaican people, including long hospital wait times, a shortage of essential resources like beds, and a lack of transparency in financial management. Something is wrong, and those in charge must be held accountable for it. Wanna hear what Mark Golden say? This mania Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton put as the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness. When Auditor General asked him, where the 700 billion spent pan? Hey, my wisdom warriors, me I go tell you more about this man so you understand his role in the ministry. Hear this. Mr. Dunstan Byron joined the team of the Ministry of Health and Wellness as permanent secretary in November 2018, bringing with him a wealth of knowledge and experience from working in the public sector for more than 2 decades, and with international development partners including the World Bank and the Inter-American Development Bank. Charismatic and highly customer-oriented, he was previously the deputy financial. I want to listen good, Come I want to follow this because get a shock on life. Okay. He was previously the deputy financial secretary with responsibility for technical coordination with the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, and earlier worked as technical advisor to the government of the Bahamas on their social safety net reform program. My wisdom warriors, wanna listen good there. Before that, he was coordinator, strategic public sector transformation program with the Ministry of Finance and served as local technical consultant for the World Bank and project director. Hey, my wisdom warrior, this a mania. This a mania, experience and brain cell full of pay money. Finance, finance, finance. Everywhere him go, finance, finance. All right, done this, so hear more. Dunstan Bryan served as local technical consultant for the World Bank and project director for the program of advancement through health and education path. Mr. Bryan has also served as social development manager for the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and early in his career served in a number of units at the Ministry of Finance and Planning, from the training unit of the Corporate Services Division to the Loan Administration and Monitoring Unit of the Economics Division and the Public Expenditure Division of the Projects Unit. My wisdom warriors, the reason why I want to learn about this guy, there's a reason, because Auditor General come out. Hear this. Jamaican taxpayers and the Parliament are still unable to assess how the Ministry of Health and Wellness spent almost 700 billion in public resources allocated to the ministry over a 10-year period, owing to the apparent failure by Permanent Secretary Dunstan Bryan to submit the appropriation accounts to the Auditor General in keeping with the Financial Administration and Audit FAA Act. My wisdom warriors, when I hear this here, in the Gleaner, this is in the Gleaner, in the Gleaner, query to the Auditor General Department, which is the AUGD, on Tuesday revealed that the backlog of appropriation accounts that had been flagged in successive annual reports of the Auditor General are yet to be submitted. My wisdom warriors, you see what me I tell you now? You see what me I tell you now? So when you see me come out and me I say them a criminal and them a this and that, and Andrew Holness now spend the money and look how much billions them get. Look how much billions they get. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Health Minister or Health and Wellness or what you want to call them spend over 700 billion over a 10-year period. 10-year period. This is why the hospital they not have no bed, no resources, no equipment, no medication, because they don't know how the money spent. The Auditor General did an audit. The audit, remember, we were calling for an audit. I was the first person calling for the audit. I was the first person. You know me already. Me call for everything. Anytime I see something go wrong, me ever call for everything. You know me already. Yeah. Because I couldn't understand how comes they're receiving so much money worldwide. So much money. And yet the hospital healthcare system is struggling. It's not supposed to struggle. My wisdom warrior, you're not supposed to struggle. You hear me? Amount of help Jamaica get. Amount of help Jamaica get. Jamaica should be able, if it can stretch them hands and help other country with beds and resources. A serious thing we are telling you. Seriously. You understand? So all of this publish June 20. Me say if Mark Golden never posted on his page, this would have missed me. You think a joke thing? This would have missed me, my wisdom warrior. What a lucky thing me a follow up Mark Golden. When me see Mark Golden post it, me say, no man, me have to go do my own research. This is why me telling you, say me I gonna make you learn about this guy. Because this man is the permanent secretary. What is he doing? What is going on? He don't know how much money spent. See it there? Over 700 billion spent. Over 700 billion spent, and they want to know how, which part that the money they spend go. Who is spend pan? Who is spend? Because they claim say spending at the health ministry. My wisdom warriors. You see what me I tell you now? You see what me I tell you now? And then Christopher Tufton come out, I put on baby vice. I put on baby vice. I think so that is enough. and think that is enough. Una get so much money. What are you guys doing with the money? This is why una Jamaican people, I want to listen to Mark Golding when Mark Golding is talking about politicians, them are enrich themselves. A real thing. It's not a joking thing. Una see this man here, how him full of experience. He work from this to over this pure finance. Una see how him well equipped for experience. My wisdom warriors. This is why we were calling for auditing. And a long time I heard, what his name? Dr. Dawes was calling for the audit for Cornwall Regional Hospital. And now if you pull down your eyelid, you wait from now till the morning. I'll know you not see nothing. You know from when? You know from when Dr. Dawes asked for your audit from Cornwall Regional Hospital? I'll know. They can't show. Why una hide things? Why una hide things? The opposition side supposed to get involved in everything. Every money spending, everything we want to do. They're supposed to see document. Come on, if you work together. What is going on? But under that, true because Andrew Holness administration, a criminal administration, you know. Yes, man. And them lie, and every liar is a thief. Every liar is a thief, my wisdom warriors. They mess up me and right. This to show us that no care about the Jamaican people. This is why me come out and say them no care. And when me talk, people I say, oh, me vile. But the truth me I talk. Me have to talk truth. Me can't tell like JLP people them, you know. Me can't do it. Me can't go around and tell lie. My wisdom warriors. Everything when me I talk from my heart. And me care. That's why me out here talking for the voiceless. You understand? Me not get paid for do this. God lead me for do this. Me not get paid for this. You understand me? So some people come and, you know, they're telling lies because, you know, enough of them get paid. But listen to them when them attack. Just listen to them. Them have an agenda. It's either them bitter against somebody or they just want to get at somebody. That's why them out there doing this. Or they want their career to take off. That's why I see them out here do them something here. My wisdom warriors, anytime when I say something come out, always go and do research. I am encouraged, my wisdom warriors. Always go and do no research and we find out. Mark Golding not tell no lie with nothing. See, they this publish. Go Google it. And we see. It is there. It is there, but me telling you something as well. We have to catch them as something quick, you know, because the article have this thing when them ready, then try to fix up things. Then we put out something and then same one delete it. Yes, because they know what we know. I don't know why them do that. I don't know if they get paid. I do not know why them do that. But a lot of the articles them, when them post things and you go back, go check, then change it up, or them remove it. Yeah. But me always have everything locked. Always have everything locked. Because I see once they say I talk about it, for some reason I don't know why them do that, my wisdom warriors. But me just showing you this. This is why I say me have to tell you a little bit about this man. He is the permanent secretary for health and wellness. And him, Christopher Tufton and Andrew Holness put this so. You understand? How much money go missing? This is why the hospital they not have no equipment. This is why the hospital they not have no resources, no medication. You know how much is $700 billion? Seriously. Seriously, my wisdom warriors, I want to dissect this. You know how much is $700 billion? Them say they use it. Want to use it and do because the hospital they not have no bed, they not have nothing. So what want to do with the money? Want to do with the money? My wisdom warriors, a serious thing this, you know. This is why Mark Golding wrote this on his page. Let me read it for now again. Our healthcare system has long been plagued with issues affecting the Jamaican people, including long hospital waiting times, a shortage of essential resources like beds, and a lack of transparency in financial management. Something is wrong, and those in charge must be held accountable. See it there? Mark Golding write this underneath it. And I agree with Mark Golding, 251%. I agree with her, sir. The whole of them will rob up taxpayer money. The whole of them will rob up taxpayer money. Need figure prison. You see how them a build up prison? And you see? You see how them a build it up? Build it up because I want to see them one I go in at it. Want to stop thief, man. Want to stop it. Stop thief from poor people. Imagine people across the island, people in a different country, worldwide, see what is happening in Jamaica and decide so them are going to help the country. And una help on own people. This is why you always hear Mark Golding say, decanalize the people. This is why Mark Golding, I was seeing black people, I canalize, you know. The same black people. Boy, you know me. Jesus mercy, mighty God, I'm asking you to take control. I am asking you to intervene in this. Me I ask you, God, for intervening in this. Because this not pretty. This not pretty. Jaja. Jeanette Calder, Executive Director of the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal JAMP, says she is not surprised that there is no progress at the Health Ministry regarding its legal obligation to account for the money the public has provided over the last 10 years. She contends that this is not a new problem and has been allowed to persist for decades. The Health and Wellness Ministry reported earlier last year that the appropriations accounts for fiscal years 2013 to 2014 to 2022 to 2023 had been completed and submitted to the internal audit unit of the ministry for verification. Want to hear that, my wisdom warriors? So right now we are waiting. We are waiting right now. We are waiting for Pamela Rose. She is the Auditor General. We are waiting. So no know say, me just follow her because I am going to keep an eye on this. 700 billion when they spend on health ministry. But yet the healthcare system is still failing. That no make no sense. Something not right. Something not right. And you know what? I am so happy that the Auditor General get involved in this. Yes, because a long time me hear Dr. Daza asked for auditing, but he was only asking for Cornwall Regional Hospital. But now the Auditor General come out and she do it up. You understand? Because we need to know how this money is spent. We need to know how it's spent. Because you claim say you spend it on the healthcare system. So if you spend it on the healthcare system, how comes the healthcare system still a struggle? It don't make no sense. It just not make no sense. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, saying that to say this. No know say Christopher Tufton come back out, peer back and forth. And this time when him come out, hear what him say. Jamaica's public health system has 118 active ventilators, says Tufton. You hear this now? Christopher Tufton say, Jamaica public health system has 118 active 118 ventilators that is working. So him say, Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says there are 210 registered ventilators in Jamaica public health system. Lord Jesus, so what kind of passa this now? Him say 122. You know why me can't be bothered. Anyway, him say there is 210 registered ventilators in Jamaica public health system, 118 of which are actively in use. Tufton, who was speaking at a Ministry of Health and Wellness virtual press conference Thursday morning, said another 40 are out for maintenance and 52 are obsolete. Me telling the politicians all the time when you come out and talk to Jamaican people, stop use these big words. Because the people, they don't know what that mean. And that's on the use. And that's not always use upon the people, them, you know. So because you know, so the people, they don't understand, so they just go with anything. You come out and say 52 are obsolete. Just say 52 are not in use. Just say 52 are not in use. Excuse me? And that you need for say, why I use all these big words for? This don't make no sense. You know, so Jamaican people don't understand this word. Why you not just say 52 are not in use? And that you need for tell the Jamaican people. You shouldn't shame yourself. I thought about you have 210 registered ventilators and only 118 is active and 40 are out for maintenance and 52 is not in use. You shouldn't shame yourself. 210 ventilators, a little bit that, for 24 hospital. From a barn. Me never say, my wisdom warriors, me telling you, so they always use the big words. And when the people them read it, I say, true, they not understand, then just say, oh, sure, they're not business. Seriously, why this man come out and use obsolete? Why am I use that the word if when you know so the blood is sitting them is not working. Them no good. They in dash way. And that it mean? Seriously, we don't need to stop these big words. Stop it. Jamaican people, they don't understand. A lot of them don't understand. You understand me? A lot of them don't understand. We need to come out and stop the speaky spoke, you know. Seriously. A part where all we chat. We not chat part one still I can't use big words. Break it down so the Jamaican people then can understand. Uno? You see Uno? Boy, you have about 210. 210 registered. Eh? Uno shouldn't shame on yourself for talk all these things. Uno see how my wisdom warriors may tell about these people. Them are people I don't care about nothing. Them are people I don't care about nothing. Christopher Tufton no business with nobody. All him care about is his pocket. This a man I need for resign. And the time is now. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Remember, you know, we are waiting on the Auditor General to finish up do what she do. Because guess what? This thing flag up, you know. It flag up on them system. It flag up 700 billion. Them claims to spend in a health minister or whatever. Yeah? That, you know, them say 700 billion spend. So if 700 billion spend, my wisdom warriors, why is the healthcare system still struggling? Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, wanna like and share out the video. Subscribe to my channel. Remember to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got there in the comment section, guys. If you want to send me any information or any videos, my WhatsApp number is 876-236-9097. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, text yes and I will add it to the group. Blessings upon blessings. One love.